Hi, I'm Reese Magang. I'm from, as I said, I'm from Makati and under the SOI Department of Information Systems. And okay, song choice. I chose the song Tenerife Sea by Ed Sheeran because it's just such a beautiful song. It's a beautiful song, and it kind of is something special, close to my heart. So. You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls inside of your neck, down your shoulders tonight. We are surrounded by all these lights and people talk too much. You've got the kind of look in your eyes you still know anything. Should this be the last thing I see? I want you to know it's enough for me, so that you are so that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love, love.